In this video, we'll show you how to add a sticky video in WordPress using the Responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you what a sticky video looks like. REA Sticky Video is a widget that allows you to add a video to your WordPress site and make its position sticky on scrolling the page. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the Responsive Elementor Addons plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down and look for Responsive Elementor Addons. Now, look for the REA Sticky Video widget. To find it quicker, you can also type REA Sticky Video in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this widget. Under Edit REA Sticky Video, you will see 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Under Content, in the Sticky Options tab, you can enable or disable the sticky feature, and select the sticky position for the video. Under the Video tab, you can select the source for the video and add the video link. Now you can choose whether to autoplay the video when the page loads, and whether the video should be muted by default or not. You can also choose to turn on the loop option here and select whether to display the controls bar or not. In the Image Overlay tab, you can show or hide the image overlay for the video. You can also add the image for the overlay and select its size. Now you can show or hide the play icon and choose the icon of your choice. Now, let's have a look at the style settings. In the Sticky Video Interface tab, you can set the width and height of the sticky video interface. Now you can set the scroll height from which onwards the video will be positioned sticky. You can also set the color for the close button of the sticky video over here. Under the Player tab, you can set the width of the video player, select a border type, and set the border radius. Under the Interface tab, you can set the interface color and the play button size for the sticky video player. Under the Bar tab, you can set the bar padding and bar margin for the video controls. Now, let's move on to the advanced settings. Here you can adjust the padding and margin of the block and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to your sticky video, set background color, and customize the borders of the block. Finally, you also can choose a mask for your sticky video and adjust its positioning as per your liking. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update. And there you go. You have a customized REA Sticky Video on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about Responsive Elementor add-ons and WordPress, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.